Hey y'all, welcome to Desert Armory and More. Thank you so much for dropping by. We decided to go to a different location today. It's closer, I don't have to go as far. So we got ourselves here a 357 Blackhawk. It is the new model Blackhawk. Single action 357 Magnum, nice little gun. And of course she's got the good old nice sound there. Let's load her up. We're just using some target load 357 Magnums. Yep, we done dropped one. We were right around 27 yards right here. Sorry, 24 from the target. I don't know if I can shoot her or not. We got some steel. It's pretty far. Let's see, guys. Nope. Shooting high. I'm not the greatest with this one. I'm better with my 45, believe it or not. We'll clear her out. These are just lighter load 357 targets. Just a round nose FMJs. I think they were by AMC Corp. Anyways, 357 in the Blackhawk new model. And thanks for dropping by.